Hey there, car lovers. Welcome back to Car Hub family, the place where we dive into everything automotive, from the fast to the luxurious, and everything in between. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss an update on the latest car reviews, news, and exclusive features. Cut to host standing in front of a sleek 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre, showcasing its stunning exterior. Host, today, we have something truly extraordinary to talk about at the 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre. This isn't just another luxury car, it's the future of electric mobility wrapped in Rolls-Royce's signature elegance. Whether you're an electric car enthusiast or a fan of ultimate luxury, the Spectre is a vehicle that's bound to impress. Let's take a closer look. Scene, slow motion shots of the Rolls-Royce Spectre's exterior gliding through a scenic road, with its iconic Spirit of Ecstasy sculpture on the hood. Host, voiceover. At first glance, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre oozes sophistication and power. Rolls-Royce has taken everything we know about luxury and infused it into a fully electric design. The Spectre features the same regal presence you'd expect from the brand, bold, sleek, and majestic. From its unmistakable Pantheon grille to the sculpted curves that highlight its aerodynamic profile, this is a car that commands attention. Scene, close-up shots of the car's front grille, headlights, and the Spirit of Ecstasy emblem. Host, of course, no Rolls-Royce would be complete without its signature Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, a symbol of elegance and grace. The Spectre carries this tradition forward with a beautifully crafted, illuminated emblem, giving it a distinctive and high-tech touch. Scene, inside the car, luxury leather seats, ambient lighting, and the stunning dashboard with Rolls-Royce's signature design. Host, voiceover. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's truly in a class of its own. The Spectre features the finest materials, from hand-stitched leather seats to real wood and brushed steel accents. Rolls-Royce doesn't just create cars, they create experiences, and the interior of the Spectre is no exception. Cut to close-up shots of the digital display, ambient lighting, and the luxurious features like bespoke seats and custom options. Host, the dashboard is a masterpiece of design, blending traditional Rolls-Royce opulence with cutting-edge technology. The 12.3-inch digital display is seamlessly integrated into the dashboard, while bespoke options allow owners to customize everything from seat stitching to the ambient lighting. It's a space that invites you to relax and enjoy the ride. Scene, car accelerating smoothly, demonstrating the electric powertrain with a smooth and quiet ride. Host, voiceover. Now, let's talk about what powers this luxury beast. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre is Rolls-Royce's first ever fully electric car, and it's powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup. With a total output of 590 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque, the Spectre delivers an instant, silent surge of power. Scene, animated graphics showing key specs of the Rolls-Royce Spectre. Host, here's a quick look at the key specs. Powertrain, dual electric motors, all-wheel drive, horsepower, 590 horsepower, torque, 900 Nm, 664 pounds-feet, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 4.4 seconds range, 300+ miles on a full charge, top speed, 155 miles per hour. Scene, car driving on a winding road, showcasing the smoothness of the ride and the advanced suspension system. Host, the ride is effortless, with Rolls-Royce's advanced air suspension system and self-leveling technology ensuring the Spectre floats over the road. Whether you're cruising on a straight highway or tackling winding country roads, the Spectre's handling is smooth and precise, providing an ultra-quiet and serene driving experience. Scene, footage of the car driving at night, showcasing the illuminated Rolls-Royce logo and the soft, ambient interior lighting. Host, voiceover. At night, the Spectre's presence is even more captivating. The illuminated grille, the wheels with their intricate, glowing accents, and the car's subtle, yet powerful aura make the Spectre a head-turner wherever you go. Scene, host standing next to the car, talking to the camera. Host, so, who is the 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre for? This is a car for those who want to experience the future of luxury and performance without sacrificing comfort. If you want to embrace electric mobility without compromising the opulence and refinement that Rolls-Royce is known for, the Spectre is the perfect choice. Scene: final shots of the Rolls-Royce Spectre driving through beautiful, scenic locations, with a sunset in the background. Host: you. Voiceover: the 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre isn't just a car, it's a statement. A statement of sophistication, technology, and progress. Rolls-Royce has once again set the bar for what a luxury car should be: a quiet, smooth, and undeniably powerful. Scene: host wrapping up the video. Host: you. So, what do you think? Would you drive a Rolls-Royce Spectre and embrace the future of electric luxury? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Hub Family for more exciting car reviews and all the latest news in the world of automotive excellence. Text on screen: subscribe to Car Hub Family, with an animated bell icon. Host: you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Drive in style, and always embrace the luxury of the road.